Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will study Lecture 3 of Class 12 Chapter, Current Electricity, for Board, NEET, CET and JEE. If you have any doubts please comment or join the Telegram channel. Lecture 1 and 2 video link is given in description. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start. Resistivity of various materials. Firstly, resistivity means. Resistivity measures opposition to flow of current. The materials are classified as conductors, semiconductors and insulators, depending on their resistivities. Here, conductors. They are having low resistivity. The material having low resistivity in the range of 10 to the power minus 8 meters to 10 to the power minus 6 meters are called conductors or metals. Example for conductors are silver, copper, aluminium, tungsten, iron, nichrome, manganese, etc. Next, semiconductors. In semiconductors having intermediate resistivity. The materials having the resistivity in between metals and insulators are called semiconductors. Examples are carbon, germanium, silicon. Next, insulators. Insulators are having high resistivity. The materials having resistivity 10 to the power 18 times greater than metals are called insulators. Examples are pure water, glass, hard rubber, fused quartz, solid NaCl, etc. Therefore, resistivity of conductors is lesser than resistivity of semiconductors and resistivity of semiconductors is lesser than resistivity of insulators. That is, resistivity of insulators is high and resistivity of conductors is less. In generally, we can say that if the flow of electron is high in wire, then it has low resistance. And if the flow of electron is low in wire, then it has high resistance. List of resistivity of some materials is given below, just go through it. Next, we see resistor. The resistor is a device used to oppose the flow of current in the circuit. Generally, resistors slow down the flow of electrons. There are two types. 1. Wire-bound resistor and 2. Carbon resistor. Let's see one by one. 1. Wire-bound resistor. It is made by winding the wires of an alloy like manganese, nichrome or tungsten, as shown in figure. These materials are usually preferred because their resistivity is insensitive to temperature. The range of resistances of wire-bound resistors is small, that is up to few hundred ohms. 2. Carbon resistor. It is a compact and inexpensive. Thus they are widely used in electronic circuits. Carbon resistors are available in the higher range resistances, that is, kilo ohm, mega ohm. Carbon resistors are small in size and hence their values are given using a color code, as shown in diagrams. Next, we see color code of resistor. It is a technique used to find the value of resistance of given resistor. It consists of 4 color bands on the resistor as shown. Resistors are again classified as 4-band resistor. It consists of 4 color band on it. Here first two color band indicates first and second digits, respectively. Third color band indicates the multiplier. And fourth color band indicates the tolerance. Similarly, 5-band resistor. It consists of 5 color band on it. Here first 3 color band indicates first, second, and third digits, respectively. Fourth color band indicates the multiplier. And fifth color band indicates the tolerance. And in 6-band resistors, it consists of 6 color band on it. Here first 3 color band indicates first, second, and third digits, respectively. Fourth color band indicates the multiplier. And fifth color band indicates the tolerance. And sixth band indicates temperature coefficient. Now look into formula to find the resistance of resistor. That is, R is equal to xy into 10 to the power z plus or minus tolerance. Symbolically, resistors are written as shown in the diagram, where R is resistance of resistor, X is the first digit or the first color band in resistor, Y is the second digit or the second color band in resistor, Z is the third color band or multiplier in resistor. Tolerance is fourth color band of resistor. Here, what is tolerance? Resistor tolerance is the maximum allowable percentage variation from the resistor's nominal, stated, value, indicating its precision. In simple words, resistance of a resistor may more or less from its calculated value, which is known as tolerance. From this formula, we can find resistance of resistor easily, so just remember the formula. From these all factors, we can find the value of resistance of a resistor. Let's see in detail how to find resistance. Consider a 4-band resistor. Let's understand with table. The colors on the resistors are black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, and silver. From the resistor band, the first and second bands indicates the first and second digit, that is X and Y, which starts from 0 to 9, as shown in table. That is, for black, 0. For brown, 1. For red, 2. For orange, 3. For yellow, 4. For green, 5. For blue, 6. For violet, 7. For gray, 8. For white, 9. Now for the third band, that is multiplier band. We can write in the form of 10 to the power z. That is, into 10 to the power 0, 1, 2, so on up to white is 10 to the power 9. Gold is 10 to the power minus 1. And silver is 10 to the power minus 2. Now the fourth band, tolerance. For gold is plus or minus 5%. And for silver is plus or minus 10%. If you are not remembering these all colors, this shortcut trick help you to remember. That is, B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Or, one more you can use. B.B. Roy goes to Bombay via gateway with gold and silver. Here the red letter indicates first letter of each color. That is, B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow. G for green, B for blue, V for violet, G for gray, W for white. Now look some examples to find resistance. Example 1. If four colors are orange, blue, yellow, and gold, then find resistance. With the help of formula and table, we find resistance. Solution. Colors are orange, blue, yellow, gold. Formula is R is equal to xy into 10 to the power z plus or minus tolerance. Therefore, R is equal to, here x is first digit, y is second digit. R is equal to first color is orange and its first digit is 3. Second color is blue and second digit is 6. Now third band is yellow, so it is 10 to the power 4. Last band is gold, so tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Therefore, we get R is equal to 36 into 10 to the power 4 plus or minus 5% ohm. So we got the resistance of resistor having orange, blue, yellow, gold color bands. R also can written as R is equal to 3.6 mega ohm with plus or minus 5% tolerance. If you have any doubts, comment your question or join Telegram channel, link is in description. Example 2. Color code is brown, black, red, silver. Find resistance. Solution. Colors are brown, black, red, silver. Therefore, R is equal to xy into 10 to the power z plus or minus tolerance. So, R is equal to 10 into 10 to the power 2 plus or minus 10%. So we can also write as R is equal to 1000 plus or minus 10% ohm. Or R is equal to 1 kilo ohm with plus or minus 10% tolerance. Example 3. Color code is orange, orange, red, gold. Find resistance. Solution. Colors are orange, orange, red, gold. Therefore, R is equal to xy into 10 to the power z plus or minus tolerance. So, R is equal to 33 into 10 to the power 2 plus or minus 5%. So we can also write as R is equal to 3300 plus or minus 5% ohm. Or R is equal to 3.3 kilo ohm with plus or minus 5% tolerance. Next. Example 4. Color code is red, black, yellow, silver. Comment answer for this question. Example 5. Color code is brown, yellow, violet, black, green. Find resistance. Solution. Colors are brown, yellow, violet, black, green. So this is 5-band color resistor. Therefore, formula is R is equal to xyz into 10 to the power n plus or minus tolerance. Here n is multiplier. So, R is equal to 147 into 10 to the power 0 plus or minus 0.5%. So we can also write as R is equal to 147 ohm with tolerance of plus or minus 0.5%. Note: in some cases of 5-band, if the band 4 is gold or silver, then it consider as multiplier and the 5th band become temperature coefficient. Next, we look how to know resistor colors if resistance value is given. Example 6. Resistance is 80K plus or minus 10% ohm. Or 80 into 10 to the power 2 plus or minus 10% ohm. Solution. First digit 8, that is grey. Second digit is 0, that is black. Third band is into 10 to the power 2, that is red. Tolerance is plus or minus 10%, that is silver. So the colors are grey, black, red, silver. Next. Example 7. Resistance is 65 into 10 to the power 6 plus or minus 10% ohm. Solution. Blue, green, blue, silver. Next. Example 8. Resistance is 22 into 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 10% ohm. Solution. Red, red, orange, silver. Next. Example 9. Resistance is 56 into 10 to the power 2 plus or minus 5% ohm. Comment color code for these questions. In the next lecture, we study combinations of resistors. So don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe the channel for more.